Click on the link below to get discount. The SKYROVER X1 Fly More Combo is a strikingly advanced drone that caters to both novice pilots and experienced enthusiasts, making it an ideal option for anyone looking to delve into aerial photography or simply enjoy the thrill of flying. With its robust 4K camera and impressive 8K capabilities, the SKYROVER X1 promises stunning visuals and a range of features that enhance both usability and performance. Right out of the box, the drone feels well constructed and durable, an essential quality considering the potential for mid-air mishaps. Weighing in at a manageable size, the X1 is compact enough for easy transportation without sacrificing performance. The overall design is sleek and modern, featuring foldable arms that make it convenient for travel, whether you're hiking in the mountains or exploring urban landscapes. One of the standout features of the X1 is its 4K camera, which captures vibrant and dynamic footage. The clarity of the images, combined with accurate color reproduction, makes it an excellent choice for photographers and videographers. The 8K video capability, while still somewhat niche, is a significant draw for those who want the best quality possible. Even in challenging lighting conditions, the camera performs admirably, allowing for crisp images and smooth transitions in video. The built-in stabilization technology further enhances the viewing experience by minimizing shaky footage, a common issue with many drones in this price range. The control system of the SKYROVER X1 is intuitive, making it easy for beginners to grasp the basics of flying without feeling overwhelmed. The accompanying app adds a layer of functionality, enabling users to plan flight paths, adjust camera settings, and live stream their footage directly to social media or save it for later viewing. Additionally, the customizable settings allow more experienced pilots to tweak performance parameters to suit their flying style. Battery life is another critical aspect of any drone, and the X1 does not disappoint. With the Fly More combo, users receive multiple batteries, offering extended flight time that is essential for capturing expansive landscapes or multiple shots without the hassle of constant recharging. Each battery provides an impressive flight duration, allowing for approximately 25 to 30 minutes of uninterrupted flight per charge, depending on conditions. This feature alone elevates the product above many competitors, as it reduces downtime and keeps the excitement flowing. When it comes to range, the SKYROVER X1 excels with an impressive flight distance, allowing for considerable exploration. The drone maintains a solid connection even at extended distances, ensuring that users can capture their desired shots without worrying about losing control. The GPS functionality adds an extra layer of safety, offering features such as return to home and altitude hold, which are invaluable for beginners who may not yet be adept at manual flying. Safety features are abundant in the SKYROVER X1, including obstacle avoidance sensors that help prevent collisions. These sensors are particularly useful for those still honing their flying skills, as they provide added confidence when navigating challenging environments. Additionally, the Follow Me mode is a fantastic feature for outdoor enthusiasts who want to capture their adventures without the need for a separate camera operator. As with any product, there are a few minor drawbacks to consider. The weight of the drone is slightly more than some ultra-compact competitors, which could be a factor for those seeking an ultra-lightweight option. Additionally, the learning curve for advanced features may require some time and patience, particularly for those who are completely new to drone technology. However, these drawbacks are minimal when weighed against the overall performance and versatility of the X1. In terms of value for money, the SKYROVER X1 Fly More combo positions itself competitively within the market. The combination of high-quality camera capabilities, extended battery life, robust safety features, and ease of use makes it a compelling option for anyone looking to invest in a drone that can meet their evolving needs. Overall, the SKYROVER X1 Fly More combo is a standout drone that effectively blends user-friendly design with advanced technology. Its 4K camera paired with the potential for 8K video capture ensures stunning aerial photography and videography capabilities.